Alright guys, we're gonna get started. Market opened right now and that looks terrible. Um, so that was kind of my original plan, but we're gonna have to wait for the retest now. That's gone. The draw on liquidity already kind of happened when we took out. We took out those lows, and then look at this, guys. Low, high, low, low, higher, high. And that was our breaker. And now we're just straight back up. Boom. So if we take a trade, in here, for sure. See if we can't get tapped in here. It's been a little while since we took a trade. It's been all last week actually since we took a trade. It's been a busy week. So we took a week off. We're just gonna restart this week. See how we can go about. That would have been a nice break trade, I guess. 30 points. Wow. This one. Okay. We still have an opening gap. Opening week gap. But with these tariff pauses, like, I think we're just going straight up. And then I missed the entry by a long shot. So let's map out what that trade would look like a little bit. See if it's any good. We're still bored. Yeah, let's say we took it off the close. Under that injury. Okay. Yeah, I could have got 1 to 2. So if we could tag them. This is what we're looking at. Something like that. We can kind of just continue this. But at the same time, we'll look for some of this. Like, that's not a bad inverse with a fair value bet. But if it respects this one, it's kind of over. So what I'm trying to do now is I don't want to force trades anymore. I'm just going to let like 1 to 2 trades a day present themselves. So like if this doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, who cares? The move's already full ticketed anyways. If I would have entered on the inverse, would have been pretty solid actually. 50 points. Yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good to the upside. Ooh, didn't actually dig out any of those. Would love to see it come back all the way and tap and then run, but that would not happen. It's already gone. That was the trade, guys. You had to enter off the inverse. A little bit of consolidation, 930 sweep. I mean, that's what I was looking for too. I just wasn't really ready for these massive candles. It's gotta be quick on the 1 minute. I still want to see return into this gap. the big reason why my bias is so far along today is our news candle and overnight trend. Overnight trends are going bullish. News candle 830 CPI. Also, I would say closed bullish just because of the actual close and the continuation. So news 830 means that, well, 930 for me means that an hour later we're gonna look for the continuation. Still need to find my entry though, which should have been off that sweep. Now that I'm thinking about it, but we covered a lot of time. But patience is key. Oh wait, oh wait. Doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Telling you guys, patience is how you make it in trading. You're not going to get anywhere by rushing positions. Entering what you think you know is like the trend, just kind of being like, oh, it looks bullish, I'm going to enter bullish. It's like if you entered bullish even here, almost an hour later you would just randomly get stopped out from nothing, just from a sweep. So you have to wait, you have to find your entries. Something I haven't been good at doing, but we're going to work on it. And the next time, we're going to get some payouts. But for now, it's just process overpayment. Let's work on that. I think I still want to see it come back down. Not changing off that plan. It wants to come back, it just doesn't have enough fight. A little better. Man, one of my friends right now, he keeps like spamming me with his trades. It's kind of sad because like I know he's gambling, but he doesn't know he's gambling. And He sent me this morning. This is exactly what he sent me. He had a picture of a 50K combine account, ineligible, on his phone. And he showed me the account page. Wherever that is. But anyways, he showed me the account page on mobile. And just straight up said, like, 10 grand profit. And he was trying to tell me, like, oh, I'm getting my payout, I'm getting my payout. This is it, we're making it big. Like, it's an active account. So he's just trolling. Like, I hate people that do that. He's just trolling, paper money. It's kind of annoying and irritating. Just because, like, I'm on the track, I want to try and take this serious. And, like, start my business model, like, risk management, emotions, strategy, just wait for the setups. And he doesn't want to do any of that, but like he wants to try and be involved. So no, I cannot be doing with that. You do not want your business partner to be gambling. It's like TJR and Toji, like streaming every day together trading. It'd be crazy. Probably lose all the money in a week. There's a reason why Togi doesn't stream his day trades every day. Let's just say that. It's kind of looking like a bullish flag right here. Probably gonna break and just continue up. Yeah, look at that. It's not my strategy, so I don't enter off it. But it would work. Look at that. 20 points already. Coming up on 30 points. Just not 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's it today, guys. I probably missed out on the trade. That was the macro open, so it's going to bring in huge volume. Probably to the outside soon. It's going to the upside. That's unfortunate. Let's see what we could have played out for TPs. It's not really any TPs, like it's just clear upside shit. 230, but like that's, oh my god. Okay. So we missed out on one today. I think there's much more than just straight continuation today. That's okay. the last thing I would look for is a sweep into the 15-minute opening gap. And then maybe we can get like a banker model. Same thing here. Hope we get like, you know, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, but we didn't really get the higher high or the higher low. Maybe we can get like lower low, higher high, lower low into here, and then higher high. If the inverse presents itself. But so far that just looks like, you know, we're gonna want to go, how do I do this? Nah, I don't even know. It looks like a nice little whoop, swoop straight up. This could be 3% up there. That would be nice. Alright guys, well, it looks like I might have missed my long trade today. If I was quick, I would have inversed off of the gap. I just wasn't quick. I started recording at literally like 10:32, like as these candles were forming. So it was just an unfortunate timing on my end. But as you can see, that would have literally already been just straight up on the board. And it's still kind of going, so you know, you could have taken the 1 to 2 at equal highs, and then floated your stop loss from the previous resistance, waited, goes up, next resistance, goes up, next resistance. We could have a stop loss right there right now with a continuation. But I just didn't have time to get in. Accidentally missed it, but decent trade outlook overall. I might start the recording again if anything happens later in the next like hour, but other than that, I don't think I really want to take a trade off this. It's just kind of straight up, and I'm not going to find a good entry anymore. So yeah, I guess it's gonna be it for me. Let's hope we can get a better one maybe tomorrow.